I've been exploring the Brick Productivity mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Brick is a productivity app for iPhone users who feel their phone is constantly pulling their attention away from work, relationships, or offline life. It pairs with a small physical brick, so you can quickly block distracting apps and notifications, then tap again to bring everything back when you are ready to reconnect. The core idea is simple. You choose which essential apps stay available, then use the brick to switch into a focused mode for stretches of time, whether that is for deep work, family time, or just a walk without social media. Reviews often highlight that you cannot easily override your own blocks, which makes it especially helpful for procrastinators or people who find themselves mindlessly opening apps out of habit. Users frequently report improved focus, lower anxiety, and a feeling of using their phone as a phone, again, rather than a constant entertainment device, which helps it stand out from softer, easier to bypass screen time tools. However, it is not without flaws. Because the system relies on both an app and a physical device, it may feel like extra hassle if you only want light screen time nudges, and forgetting or losing the brick would limit its usefulness. Some people may also find the inability to override blocks frustrating in certain urgent situations, so it requires a bit of trust in the system and in your own planning. While the developer emphasizes that usage data stays on your phone and provides a separate privacy policy, you still need to be comfortable with any app managing access to other apps on your device. Overall, Brick is a solid choice if you value strong, low-friction boundaries around your screen time and like the idea of a physical ritual to mark focus mode during the day. It seems best suited for students, remote workers, and anyone who repeatedly slips back into social media or entertainment apps despite trying traditional screen time limits. If you prefer gentle reminders, want fine-grained controls without extra hardware, or dislike the idea of being fully locked out of apps until you tap a device again, you may want to weigh those trade-offs before committing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.